make this really fast because I don't have a lot of storage. But today I'm opening this XY, and for some reason I'm in my bathroom because the light in my room's not working. It's part 2, but it's like a lot later.
Right.
Okay. We have a choke, a power. I have no idea what kind of corn trainer. I don't have that one. A mat chop. He's a little mat chop. I'm a chicken. I cannot say that. Gossietta. Magmar. Really nothing too good. Oh, Pikachu. Nice little Pikachu. Is a trainer. And our last card is a Thundurus. Regular. Rare. Oh my god. Highlights, I guess, for the Pikachu and the Thundurus. Oh. Make sure to go check out all my other videos. Oh, go, man. Me and Pokemon. Okay, see you guys in the next video.